Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and taking a closer look at the Vivo V30 Pro. While this mid-range device offers some exciting features, there are some factors you might want to consider before taking the plunge. Let's explore 7 reasons why. First up, let's talk about bloatware. The Vivo V30 Pro comes preloaded with several unnecessary apps and features that can clutter your device and impact performance. If you prefer a cleaner, more streamlined experience, this might be a drawback for you. 2. Moving on to design and display. While the AG glass back design looks premium, the device is quite slippery. Without a case, it can be challenging to handle. Additionally, the thin folio on the display tends to attract smudges, which can be bothersome for some users. 3. Unlike some other mid-range phones, the Vivo V30 Pro lacks stereo speakers. If you enjoy immersive audio experiences, this omission might disappoint you. 4. Now let's talk about the price. The Vivo V30 Pro is priced at 41,999 Indian rupees for the 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant and 46,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage variant. While it offers some premium features, the price point might be steep for a mid-range device, especially considering the competition. 5. Speaking of competition, the mid-range smartphone market is highly competitive, with several other brands offering compelling alternatives. Devices like the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G and OnePlus Nord CE3 provide similar features at more competitive prices. 6. As mentioned earlier, the Vivo V30 Pro's glass back design makes it slippery. If you're prone to dropping your phone or prefer a more secure grip, this could be a concern for you. 7. Lastly, the Vivo V30 Pro is available in limited color options, Andaman Blue and Classic Black, and may not cater to everyone's aesthetic preferences. This could be disappointing for users who like more variety in color choices. So, there you have it, folks, 7 reasons why you might want to think twice before purchasing the Vivo V30 Pro. While it does offer some attractive features, it's essential to weigh these factors against your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and discussions. See you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned.